And what do you like most about what you do?
Oh, what do I like most? I think the neat thing is, in 9 years of business, we have been able to not only use the machinery, but we've been able to learn the machines. So, like, part of our YouTube channel and the Facebook, and just when we talk with customers, it's the little tips and tricks that kind of set these machines apart from the others. Not that it's anything earth-shattering, but just little adjustments, little tweaks, little tips, and just talking with each customer. It's been kind of fun. I've kind of picked up an ear for people that are in different parts of the country. Like, it's so funny. I don't know if it's an algorithm with Google or whatnot, but like one day it's all people from like the Midwest, like Illinois, Michigan, and Wisconsin. Then we'll get a rash from like Tennessee, Georgia, Kentucky, and then something from up in New England. It's neat to hear the different dialects and stuff that go around. I know you said you're from Georgia, so the southern accent was kind of fun. But it's really talking to people, and there's times that we've had people call in for like a specific piece of equipment, but again, through the knowledge of using the pieces of equipment, I know what they do and what they're capable of. And sometimes what they're looking for isn't the right answer. Sometimes it's a bigger one, but sometimes it's also a smaller one. And just in talking, like, they might want all the bells and whistles, but they have a budget that's on the smaller side. So we try to work with them and maximize what they have available and not really stress them out over a monthly payment or just, cutting one gigantic check. I mean, if they got 40 grand, we'll work with them and try to get them the biggest, fastest machine for 40 grand. And sometimes even, like a little semi-pro that's $9,900, sometimes that is out of reach too. So it's being sensitive to the customer's needs and what they want to do. We also get the phone calls where it's the success stories, where they've bought something smaller and then they've been able to utilize that in business, make a bunch of money with it, and then upgrade to the next best one. And we've been able to do that quite a few times in 9 years now. And sometimes it's starting with the smaller Halverson and working to the 150. Sometimes it's grabbing this 150 for 20 grand and then ending up with something big like mine for over 100. It just depends really what the person is, what the business model is. And so I think it's kind of neat being an a la carte niche service that we can kind of offer different things for different people and just kind of adjust on the fly and be able to talk about all the different things that we have out here on the woodlot.
Wonderful.